Want to garden in 2020? You can make your own victory garden. Do you like a garden like this? Have not gardened in years? The WiseGrowerGuru can help you. Say you've never gardened before. But don't do it like this. It's a waste of time and destroys your soil. You say you don't have a lot of time. Maybe you want help growing really healthy food. No-till saves time, reduces weeds, increases nutrients, and your success. The WiseGrowerGuru can help you be successful. We are a gardening coaching service providing hope and real help. Booking new clients right now at WIseGrowerGuru.com. You can be successful in growing a great garden and producing healthy food in 2020. Book by April 30th and get a 10% discount. Visit WIseGrowerGuru.com.